There clinical studies were also being done to show that eating these foods specifically could actually shrink your waistline, your waist circumference, making your body tube a little bit smaller because it is knocking down the visceral fat.
In this video, with Dr. William Lee's help, we will expose 5 breakfast options that can reverse fatty liver and burn fat. And not only that, we'll also share simple recipes for these breakfasts that will make them even more convenient for you in your daily routine. These meals can provide you with a healthy start and not only help to get over the excess liver fat, but also overall body fat. But before we get into the details, let's take a moment to understand why one gets a fatty liver. When a person consumes more calories than the body can burn, the excess calories are converted into fat. This fat is then stored in fat cells throughout the body, including the liver. In cases where the liver becomes overwhelmed by this excess fat, it begins to store fat within its cells, leading to the development of fatty liver. Consuming a high-fat diet, particularly one rich in trans fats and sugars, can contribute to fat buildup. People with metabolic conditions like insulin resistance, diabetes, and high cholesterol are at increased risk of fatty liver. Over time, the continued buildup of fat in the liver leads to inflammation, liver cell damage, and, if left untreated, more severe liver conditions. Before we continue, please note that this content is for informational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Now that we have understood the reasons for excess fat deposits in our body, let's explore 5 fat-burning breakfasts that can help reverse fatty liver and burn fat. Our first breakfast is powerful and nutrient-rich, designed to give your liver a fresh start and support weight loss. Imagine starting your day with a warm, wholesome breakfast that not only satisfies your hunger, but also works behind the scenes to heal your liver and melt away fat. Yes, carrot and walnut oatmeal is a simple yet nutrient-rich dish, inspired by Dr. William Lee's groundbreaking research on foods that reverse fatty liver and support weight management. Fatty liver is a condition that affects millions worldwide, is a silent yet dangerous precursor to liver disease, diabetes, and cardiovascular issues. This humble breakfast can help turn the tide. So, what makes carrot and walnut oatmeal so effective in reversing fatty liver and burning fat? Let's break it down. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A, a nutrient crucial for liver health. Vitamin A can reduce liver inflammation and helps regulate fat metabolism, making it a potent key player in reversing fatty liver. And walnuts are not just a crunchy addition, they're a potent source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce liver fat accumulation and improve insulin sensitivity, aiding in fat burning and overall metabolic health. And there is more. Oats bring soluble fiber to the table, which supports gut health, reduces cholesterol, and helps the liver eliminate toxins more effectively. A healthier gut translates to a healthier liver. But how do we know this combination works? Research supports it. A study found that a diet rich in omega-3s significantly reduced liver fat and inflammation in individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Ready to add this powerhouse meal to your routine? Combine oats, grated carrot, almond milk, and cinnamon in a pot. Bring to a gentle boil, then simmer for 5 minutes until creamy. Stir in walnuts for a satisfying crunch and nutrient boost. Packed with anti-inflammatory and fat-burning nutrients, it's the perfect start to a day dedicated to better health. Looking for a refreshing way to enhance your morning routine? Up next, we'll dive into a vibrant blend loaded with antioxidants to support liver health and fight inflammation. Stay tuned. But before we move on, if you are looking to dive deeper into the top foods to prevent fatty liver disease and excess body fat, be sure to subscribe to the QuickTime newsletter linked below. Each week, we share expert-backed tips, delicious recipes, and actionable steps to help you reduce weight and feel your best delivered right to your inbox. Imagine starting your day with a burst of flavor and color that not only delights your senses, but also works wonders for your liver and metabolism. Introducing the Blueberry and Strawberry Smoothie. It is a vibrant blend of superfoods inspired by Dr. William Lee's research that can offer a simple, delicious way to protect your liver and take control of your health. But what makes blueberries and strawberries such powerful allies in the fight against fatty liver and stubborn fat? Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that improve liver function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. They can also help enhance insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in preventing fat accumulation in the liver. Moreover, strawberries are a rich source of vitamin C and polyphenols. These nutrients can not only support liver detoxification, but also aid in breaking down fat, making them excellent for weight management. Both berries are high in dietary fiber, which can promote gut health and reduces the strain on the liver. A healthy gut directly impacts liver function and fat metabolism. A study found that consuming berries rich in anthocyanins significantly improved liver enzyme levels and reduced liver fat in individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Ready to whip up this health-boosting smoothie? Combine frozen berries, Greek yogurt, and honey in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. It can be a game changer for reversing fatty liver and shedding excess fat. Looking for a savory breakfast option? Stay tuned for a delicious, nutrient-packed dish that fights inflammation and supports liver health. Imagine starting your day with a savory, nutrient-packed omelet that can work wonders for your liver and metabolism. Broccoli and tomato omelet is a simple and delicious breakfast option. This omelet offers a quick, easy, and tasty way to protect your liver and support healthy weight management. But what makes broccoli and tomatoes such powerful foods for fighting fatty liver and burning fat? Broccoli is a powerhouse when it comes to liver health, thanks to its high sulforaphane content. Sulforaphane is a detoxifying compound that can help your liver break down toxins and reduce fat accumulation. It can also enhance the liver's ability to process and eliminate waste, promoting overall liver function. In addition to that, tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that can reduce liver inflammation and oxidative stress. Lycopene may also help protect liver cells from damage, supporting the liver's ability to metabolize fats more effectively. And that is not all. Eggs, a key ingredient in this omelet, provide healthy fats and protein that can support fat burning and muscle repair. They also contain choline, a nutrient essential for liver health and fat metabolism. But don't just take our word for it. A study found that sulforaphane from broccoli significantly reduced liver fat in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and improved liver function. Additionally, lycopene from tomatoes has been shown to reduce liver inflammation and promote fat breakdown. Ready to make this health-boosting omelet? Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté onions and broccoli until tender. Add the diced tomato, whisk eggs in a bowl, and pour them over the veggies. Cook until the eggs are set. Season with salt and pepper, then serve immediately. Incorporating this nutrient-rich omelet into your morning routine is an excellent way to combat fatty liver and jumpstart your fat-burning potential. Looking for more options? Stay tuned for chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is a simple breakfast that's as easy to prepare as it is beneficial for your health. It can work wonders for your liver and waistline. According to Dr. William Li, certain foods, like chia seeds, have the power to reverse fatty liver and promote fat burning, making this pudding a must-add to your daily routine. What gives chia seeds their ability to combat fatty liver and support fat loss? Chia seeds are a rich source of plant-based omega-3s, which can reduce liver inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Omega-3s can also promote fat metabolism, helping your body use fat for energy instead of storing it. Packed with soluble fiber, chia seeds may help regulate blood sugar and reduce fat absorption. Fiber also feeds your gut microbiome, improving digestion and liver health. And not only that, chia seeds offer plant-based protein that can support muscle repair and boost metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Chia seeds are also loaded with magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants, which can protect liver cells from oxidative stress and enhance their detoxification abilities. Here's how you can create a chia seed pudding that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your liver. In a bowl or jar, mix the chia seeds, almond milk, honey, and vanilla extract. Stir well to avoid clumping. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Top with fresh fruit and enjoy. Chia seed pudding is a versatile, no-cook option that's perfect for busy mornings or a healthy dessert. Next up is a flavorful and nutrient-packed breakfast that takes healthy eating to the next level. Meet guacamole toast, a breakfast favorite that does more than just satisfy your hunger. According to Dr. William Lee, the combination of nutrient-rich avocado toast and black coffee creates a powerhouse meal that can support liver health and promotes fat burning. For those struggling with fatty liver disease or seeking sustainable weight management, this simple duo can offer a flavorful and effective solution. So, what makes guacamole toast such a potent ally in reversing fatty liver and burning fat? This creamy fruit is loaded with monounsaturated fats that can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve lipid metabolism. It's also rich in glutathione, an antioxidant known to support liver detoxification and combat oxidative stress. While selecting bread options, opting for whole grain or sprouted bread ensures a steady release of energy and helps regulate blood sugar. Stable blood sugar levels can reduce fat accumulation in the liver and enhance overall metabolic health. A 2022 study published in Frontiers in Pharmacology highlighted the role of dietary monounsaturated fats, like those found in avocados, in reducing liver fat and improving insulin sensitivity in individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. On the other hand, coffee contains several bioactive compounds that may help reverse fatty liver. Caffeine promotes the breakdown of fats stored in liver cells, potentially reducing fat accumulation. Chlorogenic acid, a powerful antioxidant, can support liver health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, polyphenols can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate lipid metabolism, which can further aid in preventing and reversing fat buildup in the liver. Here's a simple recipe for guacamole toast to kickstart your day. Toast the bread to your preferred level of crispness. In a bowl, mash the avocado with lime juice, garlic, salt, and pepper until smooth. Spread the guacamole generously over the toast. By pairing guacamole toast with coffee, you amplify these effects, making a must-try breakfast option. So, those were the 5 breakfasts to reverse fatty liver disease and burn fat. Remember, a healthy and balanced diet is key to long-term liver health. But remember to keep in mind that even if you're boosting your mornings with these healthy meals, you might have some missing pieces in your diet board that can be necessary for the prevention of accumulation of fat. It can be something you need to subtract from your dinner, and maybe something you need to add to your lifestyle. So, join us in the next video to explore the 5 lifestyle changes that can support fat burning.